Good day. Little pointer. Everybody has that one family member in the house that leaves the light on. Annoys the hell out of you. Grandpa used to say, "Why is the sun shining in the bathroom? No one's in there." Well, I have a $15 training solution. 2-screw setup. This is a lockout tagout for a light switch. So when you're changing out ballast in a busy office, you can lock out your light switch. Simple 2-screw operation. Let me show you how it works. So very simple. Remove the 2 screws. Turn the light switch to the off position. Install this with the 2 screws. Put them back in and tighten it down. All right, with the screws tightened, light switch on the off position. Close the lid. Put your lock on. Give them a couple timeouts with that in their bedroom with no lights on. Works on double and triple light switches also. Just thought I'd get this out to you guys. Stay safe, keep your head on a swivel.